Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable playback speed controls on the Verizon app or streaming service, follow these instructions to manage your playback settings. Step 1. Open the Verizon app on your smartphone or tablet and log in with your Verizon account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the video or media content you want to watch within the app. Step 3. Start playing the video and look for the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol in the video player. Step 4. Tap on the settings icon and look for the playback speed option in the menu. Step 5. If you want to disable the ability to change playback speed, you may need to adjust parental controls or content restrictions. Go to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon. Step 6. Navigate to parental controls or content settings and look for options related to playback features. Step 7. Enable restrictions that limit playback controls, including speed adjustments. This may require setting up a PIN or password. Step 8. Save your changes and return to the video player. The playback speed controls should now be disabled or restricted based on your settings. Step 9. Test the changes by attempting to adjust playback speed during video playback. If restricted properly, the option should not be available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.